I know. Our soundtrack is better over here.
That could be argued.
You've never heard Kirk sing.
I'm not the one to be singing to the tunes, but yeah, I can't carry a tune in the bucket. Yeah, another nice thing about these things is not having to eat the other person's dust. And also, when people tell you they went right or left on a trail, so you know exactly where they went instead of blowing by them.
Yeah, it's really hard to measure all the different cool things that this does to impact your experience.
Oh yeah, incredible. All right, we're approaching the bridge, so I'm right behind you guys.
That's tight.
That's a tight one.
Whoa!
Look at this thing. Wow.
This is amazing.
This is incredible. Great scenery here.
I like to go on creek crossings. Remember that trail we went on that had like 8 creek crossings? Isn't that? Oh yeah, that one. And it had the one where we crossed. It wasn't. It was more like it was a creek, but it was a pretty wide and pretty deep one. We go for it, and then we go, and then all the water just goes.
This system is amazing. If you're really looking for the best experience in listening to music, it's way better to have headsets that are blocking out 20 decibels of engine noise than trying to listen through a sound bar that is trying to overcome engine noise with more music noise.
I'm just passing the fork on the right, going over the cattle guard. I'll be up to you guys in just a few minutes.
Copy that.
Wow, what a view.
It's stunning.
This is what it's all about.
For sure, we should come up again tomorrow.
Let's do it.